Okay, marketing services for software houses. So let's get into details.
I would say usually no. I mean, texting CEOs is like a very tricky part.
No. There should be someone who's doing such things, who talk with those people about software and stuff. I think CEO got much more important things to do than talking to someone who wants to sell him something.
In my opinion, we should target marketing team to get the answer if they need any help with Instagram Reels, with some videos, with some posts, etc.
In most of the situations, you are able to find emails to other people. So it's not like you can just reach out to CEO because their email is like public. For small companies, I would say maybe, yeah, if there are not other people to reach out. For good companies, it's a waste of time.
When I first saw this question, like, I think you should never contact like a CEO, you know, like it doesn't matter what, because like they're busy, like they're getting thousands more emails than other people in the company. So like if you want to reach them, you start from the bottom.
The bottom, yeah.
You know, and then if it's gonna be interesting.
Maybe it depends on what, like how big the business is.
This emoji also looks like me, but with a one.
No, but you have two.
Yeah. Well, if you paint over the second one, then they are round, so.
Because it's like.
Because I have to look like I'm thinking, but it's not possible. Can you make it in post? Yeah, of course you can. Now, can you make an explosion? Yes. Great, thank you.
Yeah, my answer is
Yes.
it depends.
You know,
Is this the right answer?